Hi guys, just looking at repairing these hand controllers that came with the slot car sets that I picked up from the charity shop the other day. If you saw the video, you'll know that somebody's actually cut the wires off short, so we need to replace the wires, and they're so short there's no way I can solder onto those little bits at the end there. So we've got to take it apart and join the wire inside. Now, rather than let you watch me struggle getting them apart, I'll just tell you what I had to do. They're held together by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rods go through into 7 holes, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4 of them came apart easily, and these 3 are probably glued in place. They didn't want to come apart, so they actually broke as I had to lever it all apart. So that's worth knowing if you've got to do one yourself. I probably didn't need to get them all the way apart, because as soon as I could get to that bit of wire at the end there, I could pull enough of it out that we can join on another pair of wires to it. But I thought I'd take it all the way apart so you can see what was inside. Nothing very complicated. All we've got is a variable resistor, which is a piece of wire wrapped around some sort of non-conductive and heat-resistant material, silica or something like that. And depending on where this contact makes contact with it as it goes along, depends on how much is in circuit and what resistance it is. So throttle full, it's not even going through there, it's going straight onto the direct contact, so it's a straight through circuit. And as you ease back, then you're using more and more of the resistance, so the car goes slower and slower until you get right off and it's not making contact with anything. So that's your speed control. Now this thing here that looks a bit like a capacitor, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty confident it'll be some sort of thermal cutout, because if it was a capacitor then the whole thing wouldn't work, there'd be no current flow all the way through. So I think it's a thermal cutout of some sort that detects when this gets overheated and breaks the circuit. But it'll be one that resets itself afterwards once it's cooled down, otherwise you'd have to keep taking the hand controller apart. So that's it, and all I need to do is find suitable wire to piece this out, and then we have to sort out something at the other end, because the power unit was also missing. At this moment in time I don't have any suitable wire, so that's as far as we can go in this video.